Let's make yummy, yummy sauce, but let's make it vegan or 100% plant-based. You know what yummy, yummy sauce is? It's that sauce that if you ever went to like a hibachi Japanese restaurant, it's the sauce that everybody wants. And then you have the other one, the ginger sauce that nobody really uses. This is the red one, the pink one, whatever you want to call it. It's actually yummy, yummy, and that's why they call it yummy, yummy sauce. But we are going to be making a version using, you guessed it, Morinu tofu. This stuff is amazing. If you've ever watched any of our other videos, where we make sauces, you know that this is what we've used. It's just wonderful. The trick is you got to open it. I hate opening it. It's not my favorite thing because it does leak out a little bit, but this stuff, I mean, see, it's dripping already. This stuff is totally shelf stable, which is an amazing thing when you think about it. It's good for like a year on the shelf. I mean, this one's good till September 29th, 2023. And I think we bought these a couple months ago. So yeah, you got a long time. And that means you don't have to use up fridge space or freezer space. Just stick them on the shelf. And if you watch a lot of recipes that call for silken style tofu, they call for 12 ounces. These are 12.3 ounces. Coincidence? I think not. I'm just gonna throw it right into the blender container. Get in there. There we go. Only half of it came out. I hate when that happens. There we go. It's all good now. Oops, sorry.
I'm in the splash zone.
Okay, so the tofu acts like our base, kind of like a mayo, but not exactly. But now we need to flavor it. And
We're going to be using ingredients that more than likely you have laying around the house.
Oh, yeah.
Now, Brian makes yummy, yummy sauce. I make yummy, yummy sauce, and our recipes vastly differ. However, the end flavor result is shockingly similar. So we're going with Brian's easy peasy recipe today.
because mine's a lot easier than yours.
So he's going to add 1/2 cup of ketchup to his...
And yes, I'm eyeballing it because exact measurements on this are not absolutely necessary. This is kind of a play it fast and loose. If you don't like something that I'm using, use something else. You can use tomato paste, you can use tomato sauce. It won't be the same, but it'll still be probably okay-ish. But you know, if you have a problem with ketchup, I'm not sure if we can still be friends. Anyway.
2 tablespoons of sriracha.
This is to taste. We like it a little spicy around here, so about 2 tablespoons. If you want to measure, I won't hold it against you. I suggest doing it if you're not comfortable with just eyeballing things. Just saying.
And of course, 1 tablespoon each of onion powder and garlic powder.
They're kind of like partners in crime when it comes to additions to sauces and vegan cooking in general, because they're in everything. And, you know, humidity, it's a thing. It happens. So a tablespoon of each. What else we got?
Last but not least, black pepper.
Now, you can put in as much or as little as you want. Doing about a 1/2 teaspoon. We like it a little black peppery. Then, we blend. Be back in a second. Okay, while you're blending it, by the way, you do not need a high-speed blender. Any blender will do this because you're just blending up tofu. But while you're blending it, it'll probably cause gaps and air bubbles and stuff like that. Scrape down the sides a little bit, try it again. It took total of about maybe 45 to 50 seconds of blending to get it to this consistency. I mean, look at this. That is beautiful. And I'm just gonna throw a little bit into the bowl here so you can see it a little easier. We'll get the rest after.
Speaking of getting the rest after, if you have a blender, get a blender spatula. I'm going to put the link to this in the description below. This bad boy, it makes my life so much easier.
Did you say bad boy?
I said bad boy. And I'm okay with that.
Anyway, so, you know, this is a food video, so you got to taste it. I'm just dipping my finger in there. You know why? Because only her and I are going to eat this, so.
Yum.
Okay, this tastes exactly like the mayo-based version.
Yep.
It's got a little bit of spice, a little bit of sweetness from the ketchup, just a little kick from the black pepper. It's beautiful. It's got some extra flavors there from the garlic and the onion powder. Those are really important in this to boost the flavors.
The extra bonus to using the Morinu tofu as your base rather than a vegan mayonnaise is that you're going to have more protein, you're going to have less fat. So, woohoo!
Yes, this is packed full of protein. I probably could get it off the, here we go. Look at that. So let's see. In this container, there's 4 servings. There's 1.5 grams of fat. So all in total, this whole batch has 6 grams of fat, which is really amazing. And then protein has 28 grams of protein in this batch. Now, I don't suggest just grabbing a spoon and digging in, but if you wanted to, you probably could.
Now, what do you put yummy, yummy sauce on?
Well, we put it on fried rice. It's probably sacrilege and completely non-traditional, but we like it. So that's what we do.
I actually like it on pretty much anything. I've put it on a cheeseburger before, chicken sandwich. You think about it, you can do it. You can even just roast up some veggies and put this on there.
This is really good that way too. Speaking of putting this on something, we have our mock duck fried rice coming out in a few days. So that'll come out probably Monday if you're seeing this on Friday. So if you're not seeing this on Friday, it came out already Monday, or it's coming out.
It's okay, look for it. It's a quick and easy, fun recipe.
I'll have the link in the description once it comes out though. But storage options for this. Put it in a container, cover it up, put it in the fridge. It's good for probably a week or two. It will break on you. Don't freak out. What'll happen is it'll start to expel water, okay? So you'll see little pools of water in there.
Just stir it up real good.
Mix it up real good, and it's good to go. We've had that happen almost every single time. Mix it up, it works just really, really well. The tofu tends to want to come back together again. I don't know why. But anyway, that's yummy, yummy sauce. Go make some. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.